Bringing Nature Home by Douglas Tallamy. Copyright 2009, Timber Press. Douglas W. Tallamy's first book, Bringing Nature Home, awakened thousands of readers to an urgent situation. Wildlife populations are in decline because the native plants they depend on are fast disappearing. His solution? Plant more natives. In this new book, Tallamy takes the next step and outlines his vision for a grassroots approach to conservation. Nature's Best Hope shows how homeowners everywhere can turn their yards into conservation corridors that provide wildlife habitats. Because this approach relies on the initiatives of private individuals, it is immune from the whims of government policy. Even more than that, it's practical, effective, and easy. You will walk away with specific suggestions you can incorporate into your own yard. If you're concerned about doing something good for the environment, Nature's Best Hope is the blueprint you need. By acting now, you can help preserve our precious wildlife and the planet for future generations. This book is available at the Parsippany Library in print.